Hi everyone, I am Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with over 5 years of experience into this field. And today I'm reviewing UpGrad Digital Marketing Course and Communication Program with MICA, that is MICA. And it claims to be a strong brand name and live learning and a placement promise. Let's see how it fares in 2025. So basically, it is advanced certificate in digital marketing and communication. And the admission deadline is 31st of July, and the duration is 4 months. So you can even download the syllabus from the CTA download syllabus. And if I talk about the MICA program, then it has 80 plus cohorts and 50,000 plus learners had done this course as well. And they have 3,500 plus success stories. So let's skip this part and let's talk about the curriculum. So they are covering from SEO strategy. The topic one is fundamentals of marketing, and they have even done a website development, digital presence, social media, SEO strategy, email and mobile marketing, and even generative AI in their course. So that's a choice, and they are even on the PR, brand, and analytics, specialization and capstone projects. But depending upon your batch, that can vary. So some users have also reported that advanced content felt superficial, so it's a choice, and the modules is seems to be nice because they have covered everything that is required in 2025 for the for the digital marketing, and they have even covered the Gen AI programs. Also, now if I talk about what you will get after learning this course, then this is the section. So they have even claimed a salary growth and ROI that pays off because they are providing you approx 32% of average salary hike. That is quite good, but less than the Kraftshala. So the skills that you can use from the day one is SEO, SEM, social media, Google Ads, Meta Business Suite, and more. But they have not mentioned the AI tools here. So, like it can be a weak point here because this the AI tools are important in 2025, and they have also mentioned career accelerations at entry level. So it is good for the freshers, marketers, entrepreneurs, and the career switchers as well. So even you can prepare for the agencies, startups, and the MNCs role. Now they are even providing you with the remote job opportunities and the global outreach. So the course is quite good. And let's know further. Let's go to the faculty section. So the faculty and the instructors includes MICA faculty and industry pros like former CMO and the marketers from agencies. So this is adding a credibility here. But if I go to the reviews on the upgrad of the upgrad on the Trust Pilot, then the pre-enrollment profiles and the demo sessions are not easily available as per their reviews. So because they have reviewed it in the negative comment, let's go to the tool section now. So they have mentioned the course offers hands-on learning with 90 plus tools, the campaign assignments, analytics, dashboards, live brand-based case studies. Still, some learners mentioned that the interactive exposure felt limited or the template based. So this can be hypothetical as well. But the upgrade is well known, and they have even given the case studies and demonstrations with the four plus brands. These brands are well known brands like Swiggy, Salesforce, The Whole Truth, and in Infidigit. So these are good. Now they have also given a quite difference between the MICA and other institutes for the digital marketing course. They have mentioned that their prestige, their institutional prestige far is far better than other institutions, and the curriculum is very dynamic and regularly updated. So, and talk about this. If I talk about the certifications, then you will earn an advanced certificates from MICA with executive alumni status. So it is globally recognized. It is in the marketing domain as well. So hands-on projects, it involves the 7 case studies and projects, ensuring the global exposure to the real-world marketing challenges and specializations. They are even offering you 6 specializations such as branding, social media, marketing, and analytics for a more tailored learning experience. And the career support is one-to-one coaching and the career services. So then comes the live learning, that is live sessions with the experienced Mica faculty. So it's no doubt it is quite good. Now, if I talk about the fees, then the total is 84,900 plus taxes. So it can be approx 1 lakh as well. And they also have a EMI option available. Overall, UpGrad and Mica is a solid course, but if I talk about the reviews, they are rated as 4 on Trustpilot, which is good, but the reviews are somewhere negative as well. So you would have to check it first and then invest into this course. Now I'm coming to my honest verdict. The course curriculum and relevance, I will give it 1 because they have covered everything that should be covered. And the certifications and the recognitions is zero point 0.5 because they have even provided the misleading ads reports, right? And the mode of learning is fully online and even provided you the weekly schedule. So it is zero point 0.5 because they are unclear with the offline sessions. And the mode, all right. And the trainer's expertise and the industry experience, this is quite good because these are the MICA professors and the industry experts. So I will rate it 1. And then the knowledge of tools and access, they are providing you the hands-on practice on all of the tools and the access. So I will provide it 1. And the placement support and the career guidance, this is already good. The placement rate is already good. So I will rate it 1. And then comes the course duration and the fee structure. So fee structure is 1 lakh, that is less than the Craftshala's fees. So it is again very good. I will rate it 1. Then comes the after course support. So after course support is good, but this can be risky as well because according to the reviews, if you go to the trust pilots, there are mixed reviews, so you can't trust it, but I can rate it 1. And the reviews and reputation of institute, so these are mixed, so I will rate it zero point 0.5 only. And the hands-on learning and practical exposure, it includes everything and the 5 plus case studies as well with the top brand, so I will rate it 1. So I will rate it 1. Now the total becomes 8.5 out of 10. So this course is overall great, great for the beginners and the professionals. And this can be an excellent fit for if you're self-driven and want structure, but it might be risky as well if you want job assurance and genuine mentorship. Because according to the reviews, I can say this. And now, as per my suggestion, the course which I personally recommend and trusted is linked in my description box. You can go and definitely check this out. So if you got any doubts, just don't forget to drop them in the comment section. I will personally reply to all of them one by one. Until then, I will see you in the next video. So if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.